In this animation, we will learn what are the sources of light, what is reflected light, what is transmitted light, and what is absorbed light. There are many sources of light all around us, sun and the other stars. We have tube lights, bulbs, candles, candle lights, torches, traffic light, lighthouses. You can think of many. These are called luminous objects because they give off light on their own. When light passes through a medium, solid, liquid, gas, plasma or vacuum, there are three types of things that can happen to light. One is light can be reflected off of things. Then light can be transmitted off of things. It can pass through it. Light can get absorbed and just vanish. You have nothing on the other side, as shown in the diagram. Then we have to study what is reflected light. In the daily life, we see all the things around us because light is reflected off of them. This is reflected light. When a source of light is present, like a torch, its light will be bouncing off of things, and we will be able to see these objects because of this reflected light. This is how we see things in a daily life. Sofa, TV, everything is there in a dark room, but we cannot see it because there is no reflection, and we can see it after reflection. The second thing that can happen to light is it can be transmitted. Suppose a glass cube is in front of you and laser light is there as a source of light. Two types of transmission, 100% can happen, everything can pass through, and at an angle. Only some part of it is transmitted. We use this in microscopy to see little worms and cells, and we pass light under it, and so the transmitted light comes to us. And you can see clearly in this flower, the light is coming from below. That's how we see transmitted light. The third thing that can happen to light is absorption. Light can be absorbed, and most of the time, most of the light is absorbed. A percentage of light will always be absorbed by the objects. So if you see anything of blue color, that means it is reflecting off blue color, and it is absorbing all the other colors. See, white light is made up of the rainbow colors. It falls on a leaf, but leaf is green in color. Why? Because it is absorbing all the other colors and just reflecting green light. We can use this to study leaves and how they are dead or sick. We can study this by the amount of light they are giving us. And a percentage of light is always absorbed. So when sun's light falls on a leaf, 83% of it is absorbed. It is taken up by the leaf, and 5% is transmitted.